Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine. Today we will learn how we can make that kind of aggressive start menu for our game. You can see we have an aggressive start menu here, and also we have a animated start button here. This will be a important and easy class for beginner, and you can see here is the start menu. We have an option called start. When we press the start button, and you can see our game will start, and this is a easy and peasy class for everybody. So let's head back to our class and subscribe my channel, please. So here is the video. I'm edited from the Canva, and I make the ratio for my uh, expect ratio as my expect ratio of my game. So you can make any kind of video for your startup menu. So this is important. Okay, and after configuring my video, I make a start button, like animated start button, and it will be a gift. Okay, and I want to show my this is my main menu video, and this is 7.7 seconds, so I want to make it to 7.7 seconds. Okay, so here I'm just drag the video layer here, and this will be the same range now, and I'm just drag the video here. I want to crop the video. Okay, so here I'm just going to crop option here, and here I'm just I need the free scene, freedom here. Select the freedom here, and okay, I'm just crop the video here and press done. After making the perfect start button, I'm just edit it with my game here, main video here, and you can see now it's look like a professional starting. So I'm just save this video, and uh, I'm saved it with the video mp4 file, and I'm just download it to 4K. Okay, if you face some problem like 4K video in Unreal Engine, you just export the video as 1080p SD. Okay, this will be work 100% work. Okay, so let's head back to Unreal Engine, and now we are just making a folder for our video in our content browser, and it should be named movies. You should name it movies and make a folder like movies in your content browser, because this is the Unreal Engine recommended. If you want to play a video in your project, you have to export the video in your movies folder. And here in our movies folder, we are just go and uh, show in Explorer, and here we have nothing. Okay, go to the download file, that the video we make for our main menu. This is the video I make for the menu, and I'm just copy it and head back to our movies folder. Okay, so this is our movies folder, my project content and movies folder. I'm just paste it here. Okay, so after pasting it, and we have an option in import. Okay, and we are just go to the movies folder, and here our video, I'm just open it, and you can see now our video is imported here. Okay, so if we double click it, you can see this is success. If you are mistake something, if your video is not supported in Unreal Engine, you have a error, some kind of error here. Okay, so this is okay for us now. And now we are make a media player here, video output media texture asset. We are just open it, and we are double click it and select the video we make. Okay, and just save it. So you are here, you can see our media texture is create automatically, and now we are make a material here. Okay, create material. We are just double click it, and in the material domain we are selected user interface and connect the RGB to the final color. So now this is okay, our work is done. Let's just save it. Now we need to make a widget. Okay, so this is easy. Everybody know how to make a widget. If you don't know, you can watch my previous video in my channel. So we are going to just a widget blueprint here, user widget, and we now name it w main menu. Okay, and double click it. So here, first of all, we need to add a canvas panel. Set the ratio here 90/20 1080p, and for the video, playing any kind of video, we need to add a image here. Adding the image, selecting the image, I'm go to the anchors here, select the full ratio here. Okay, make the 0. Make the full things is image. Now in here appearance, we have an option image. We are selecting uh, the material we create. Let's see the name of the material. You can see our from here. So we are head back to the graph here, and first of all we need to make a variable here, and we name it media player, and select the type of media player. Select object reference, compile it. So here is the option called media player. Select the new media player we create, and now we drag our media player here for even contrast, and here we search open source, and also we are selecting our design. Sorry, my mistake. I need to search set looping. Okay, and I make through the looping here. Now this is all done. Okay, so here we need to make a button here. Okay, so this is our start UI, and I also need a button for it. So I'm drag a button here, create the anchor of the button corner, and I make button for it, and change the color to transparent. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, so by selecting the button, just rename it start, and check the on click event here. Okay, so after doing that, we need to make a main menu level. Okay, so here I'm just drag it to the content. So in the content layer, I'm just make a level and rename it main menu. Okay, this will be the main menu event here, and select it. So this is our main menu event here, and go to the open level blueprint here, and in the begin play we make a widget here, create a widget. We selected our widget, it's the W main menu, and add to viewport. Okay, we are done. So now head back to the widget here, and by the start, clicking the start button, we have selected open level by object reference, and we select the level. Our level will be demo, and also we are select here remove from parents. Okay, we are done. Set the project now. Okay, unit has hit play, and now we can see our main menu is appear here. This look like professional and iconic start menu. So this is so good, you can see. So by this work you can make any kind of start menu for your game, for your project. So here we are just pressing the start button here, and you can see our game will start now. Okay, and you can see our game will start. So this is good, this is too much good here. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.